Ebony here with Family Travel Adventures LLC. This morning I checked out of the Hilton Tulum and into the Hilton Cancun. So come along with me as we tour this Ocean View King Room. As you enter, to the left are the restroom facilities, single sink with very large vanity area, water closet behind door number 1, large walk-in shower behind door number 2, rainfall shower head there. Over here we have the wardrobe, safe and dressers. Over here we have the coffee station and the mini bars down below. Here's the sleeping area. I really like the wooden accent wall in the back. I also particularly like the artwork behind the mirror in the restroom. Lounge area to my left. Seating area to my right. Now for the balcony. It's furnished. There's a view of the ocean, and per usual with Riviera Maya Resorts, you will deal with seaweed, particularly during the warmer months, where the tractors go through and clear as much of it as they can. Still a lovely view of the horizon. All the way in the distance, you will see the Cancun Hotel Zone. Thank you so much for tagging along, and I'll see you next time.